Number one, patriotism. Number two, visionary domestic plan with think global and act local ideology. Number three, value integration. Number four, African supporting Africans. It's a movement meaning African first. Okay, Africans supporting Africans. This is a big deal. This is a big deal and a true reflection of how we want to be addressed by other nations. Out of many smart moves of Donald Trump, mentioned him today, the first time interview, when he was a president of America. His word was, and his phrase all over, about America. And he said, America first. And I know some people, including we Africans, might not like that affirmation from him then, but somebody from my own hand, somebody like myself, I do like what he said. And that is what I call intentional patriotic acts of a leader to strengthen his own sovereignty and territorial integrity. So I'm hereby saying today that Africa first, and that is what we are going to do.